Hey guys, it's Kid Vinson again from Treats from Mexico. Thanks for watching. Listen, if you're watching from YouTube, make sure you go to our blog. It's treatsfrommexico.blogspot.com, and you can watch our whole collection of videos. Today we're going to talk about the Michelada. In my opinion, the Michelada is the crown jewel of all prepared beers. Some people like to drink beer straight, just a beer in a mug. Other people like to put a little bit of tomato juice or clamato, maybe a little bit of lime or lemon and some salt. But this beer is the beer of beers when it comes to prepared beers. We're going to go in and get one made for us. Omar is going to make one for us. We're at the Oasis. We're at the foot of the La Peña de Bernal. La Peña de Bernal is the largest monolith in all of Mexico. It's the third largest in North America and the 10th largest in the world. It's right behind me. We just went all the way to the top of that thing, and now we've come back down. We're super thirsty. Let's go get a Michelada. Okay, you start out with a couple limes, you get them sliced up and get them ready so that later you can squeeze them into the cup. Put those over to one side. We're going to dip the cup in chamoy. We talked about chamoy in a previous video, and then again in tahini. So I'll show you what those bottles look like right here. But you can buy those in any grocery store. Then once you get the rim all dipped up and treated, then you're going to squeeze your 2 limes into the end of the cup. Now, don't forget that your chamoy is like a fruit-based chili sauce, and your tahini is more of a powder, and it's salt and chili versus fruit and chili. Now, once you get the lime all in there, then you're going to go to Magi sauce. And Magi sauce is a sauce that they sell it around the world, but in Mexico it's a lot thicker, it's a lot more concentrated. You're going to follow your Magi sauce with some salsa inglés, or also called Worcestershire sauce, and then a healthy serving of some clamato. And that would be similar to just putting tomato juice in there. Valentina is a vinegar-based chili sauce, and they'll put a couple of squirts of that in there too. And then finally, it's just the pièce de résistance, which is your beer, with your beer of choice. Fill that up, mixing all the chili sauces and the Worcestershire sauce and the Magi sauce in there together. Get that filled up, and it's going to be a really good beer. Of course, it helps if you have a big muscly arm like that. When you get done, you're going to have a pretty healthy head on top of that beer. And so what he's going to do now is he's going to take that straw and he's going to knock that head down a little bit, and he's also going to stir some of the seasonings together. But he's going to knock that head down a little bit, and then that beer is going to be ready to drink. Omar, give us a shot. What does that beer look like? Nice. There it is. Sometimes when you order a Michelada, you have the option of getting it in like an earthenware cup, like a clay pot, and those are normally cups that you order your drink in and you take it home with you, so they're going to cost a little bit more. Or you can get them in the styrofoam or in the cardboard cups. If you have the option to get it in the earthenware or the clay pot, it kind of adds to the experience. It's kind of more fun. I recommend you do it. All right, guys, this is it. This is, like I said, we just watched one of these get prepared. This is the final product. This is the crown jewel of all prepared beers. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. Get a close-up of this. Look at the amount of chile on this thing. All inside the beer. I think it's got Worcestershire sauce. It's got all sorts of stuff. I'm going to take a sip. I'm going to let you know what the best prepared beer in the world tastes like. Oh my God, it's a Michelada. If you get one, you're going to love it, I promise. Thanks for watching Treats from Mexico.